Hey, our lovely followers. Today is June the 23rd. We got Mark Schroeder over here.
What's up? Yeah.
You know I've been practicing that in the shower. I'm playing everyone. I haven't actually. Anyway, so it's June 23rd. I'm barely awake and stuff. We're on our way to Meadowville Station right now. Chris is not here because she's got some stuff to do, but we do miss her and send our regards. Yo, Mark, baby, tell us how we feel today.
Pretty tired. This was a late night for the both of us.
Yeah.
And just waking up, trying to get some energy to do the ride. I think we're doing 110 today, 120. And
that's just a warm up, ladies and gentlemen.
Just a warm up.
Then we're gonna go dancing after. Anyway, this is the first vlog of the day. We're just telling you guys we're out here, we're getting down, and you know what? We're just want to see where we are in life, man. We're gonna ride with this group and really evaluate where our strengths and weaknesses are. And we really just want to close the gap there and become an asset to this group and properly learn the etiquette of the road, so that when the ride comes in September, we can just fully execute all the proper technique, the different type of commands and signs, and really get this group gelling properly, because I know that's the proper term. And Trevor, I know you're going to watch me be proud I just rocked that term. Even though I might not be pulling today because these guys are just real veterans, you know, I just want to see these guys in the lead, leading, executing proper command. I definitely want to be able to embody that and use that for perhaps anybody that may be pulling a lot over the course in September when we go out. But I just want to be able to know those rules, so that when September comes, if I do have to pull, I can do that, and I can do that with authority, and I can do that in a way that is beneficial to everybody and not just beneficial to me. So everybody, you'll see us soon. I got the GoPro today, and Mark's going to be over here, I'm going to be over there, and you might see some of our tush, so stay tuned, guys and ladies, especially ladies. What? Just joking.